Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah presents prestigious Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar 2018 to 33 artists from across the country at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin inaugurates 44 crore rupees worth water supply scheme at Waithopat in Thoupal district. And MPCC President Gaikangam criticizes BJP late state and central government, says BJP government is inefficient, communal and loots openly from the public. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the headlines in details. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah presented the prestigious Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar 2018 to 33 artists from across the country at the auditorium of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal today. 8 people received the award in the field of music, 9 in dance, 7 in theatre and 9 people in traditional or folk or tribal music, dance, theatre and puppet. Manju Ilangbram from Manipur backed the award for Manipuri dance, while A. Aneshori, also from the state, backed the award in Manipuri traditional and folk music category. Speaking at the event, Governor Najma Heptullah expressed pride that Manipur is unique in art and culture, though it may be behind in development in other fields in comparison to other states. She congratulated the awardees and appreciated Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi, for choosing JN Manipur Dance Academy as a venue for the award distribution ceremony. She maintained that such acknowledgement will encourage the state artists to bring more laurels in the future. The governor also launched 5-day Festival of Music, Dance and Drama 2019, organized by JN Manipur Dance Academy and MSFDS on the occasion. Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar 2018 awardees will showcase their talents during the festival.
To preserve the memories of one artist, namely Manju Ilangbram, has received this prestigious Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar 2018 in the field of Manipuri dance. Congratulations, Manju, and well done. Similarly, I congratulate everybody else also. I would also like to convey my heartiest congratulations to Aneshori Devi, who has received this Yuva Puraskar in the field of traditional and folk dance. I'm especially mentioning people from Manipur because we are so far away. But I'm happy that Sangeet Natak Academy chose Manipur for this year's ceremony of the Bismillah Khan Award. Manipur may be far away, may be a not so developed state, but as far as art and culture are concerned, we are no less than anybody else in the country. I am fully confident that many more young talented artists from this state will earn name and award in different fields in the years to come.
Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin inaugurated 44 crore rupees worth water supply scheme at Waithopat in Thoupal district today. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister disclosed that Centre has sanctioned 2,900 crore rupees under New Development Bank to make sure safe drinking water in every household in Manipur by 2024. The newly inaugurated water supply scheme, constructed under the funding of Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, NABARD, can give 18 million litre of water per day. Government laid foundation stone for the scheme on August 1, 2016, and Hyderabad-based company Keystone Infra Private Limited started construction in July as the implementing agency. Chief Minister reiterated that government gives top priority to enhance education and health sector and to give safe drinking water to the public. He is sure to take measures to reach out those places inaccessible by the water supply scheme at the earliest. The Chief Minister also assured to revive water supply scheme at Samal Tangkhul in Wangkhem constituency in the near future. Chief Minister Biren disclosed that Centre has earmarked a budget of 20 to 25 crore rupees for dredging works of 4 lakes in the state, including Waithopat and Lumphelpat.
Karor nimfu mari sangba ma sahi ani makhai ahum du loi bangam bai si achit chowe semenam praja bu nungai hanba praja ga punna chatpa praja gi afaba thabak toba praja na awara pa mayam do openly tana ba yaba adugumba governance bu good governance ka wen ngasi Atal Bihari Vajpayee lai khidam matung akoi celebrate tawri madu laur kanda honorable prime minister na sabke sath sabke vikas aur sabke vishwas hai na laura ine aduna akoi aino je hajen ngo sigi leiriba range da leiriba singse si phajana u thaudrba u yo hogdrba si pache kangini si pache kangraga di sida sariba koina karor nifu yang khai changa sariba sikem kanaro.
Remarking about the suspicious death of the girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Manipur, Chief Minister Nongthombam Pirane stated that causes behind the student's death is not established as yet, but police have nabbed all the accused involved in the case. He maintained that doctors conducted twice post-mortem on the girl as per public demand. Pirane also mentioned that state government has submitted necessary documents to the relevant authority for handing over the case to the CBI, stating that government has acted as per the demands of the JAC formed against the death incident. Chief Minister Pirane expressed discontented over the rumored bifurcation of the JAC. He urged people to give some time to the CBI to solve the case.
Phaba yaba singnaba mi loina phare postmortem anirak tawoidna anirak tawre video recording lawoidna lawre madugi manungda CBI da case sinawoidna ahan bagi CBI da sinare 302 yaudi haidna muk 302 si application ama complaint ama hapa kana 302 yaur kanda anirak suboina CBI da sinabagi se copy leire CBI na case lawdngai marak sida sigi case thijan badi lepa yade entroge SIT ama CMME mari na saba hairibe SIT si independently free da moi work to honmani kanam gi masida influence loi direct aigi chief minister gi supervision makhada to honmani ai haikre aduna ngasi su aina mayam da appeal tawrise kari no mayam na pamise kari no ba koi taw go haris kari taw go haibna aina rally chalan ningamente phongdok pe but rally sam na satpase mapan da yam nungai te ba maira rally satpa natraga na tay sorok ta tayar thaba banne da rugam mapan da di message amoina satleba manipur se irang na leiraba ekta mi leiba yadaba lamdong na manipur se.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Pirane has assured to renovate Vishnupur and Ningthaukong markets and to upgrade Ningthaukong BHC in the near future. He was speaking at BJP membership drive organized by BJP Vishnupur Mandal in the constituency. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Pirane reiterated that the government has undertaken various programs to develop the state and for public welfare. He appealed to the public to approach the relevant departments to get various benefits and instructed the departments to help the people. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Gaikangam has alleged BJP-led state government of openly looting the public. He was speaking at party booth-level workers interaction program held at former Chief Minister of Manipur, late Rishank Keishing's residence at Mantri Pukri today. Phungyar Block Congress Committee organized a program. Gaikangam criticized that the government has failed to work efficiently for public welfare and all the more it has failed to keep its promises made to the public. He stated that Congress party need not point out the same as some BJP MLAs disclosed the same to the public. He accused the BJP-led state government of corruption and termed the BJP-led central government as a communal one. Gaikangam also claimed that the state government has started facing financial crisis. Eminent MPCC members attended the event.
Corruption is a corrupt and hard to live. Me, who get a high corruption, मतलब फत्ते फत्तर बसु करसम तौगर प्रजा की गदा तन प्रजा की वो खंडो कर याव ये बा अदबो प्रजा की दरे मी की दरे लाई की दरे वो यू सुन खम सुनो अनु प्रो का सर्विस के बतुना अमन तिक नरे मतलब पेचेन दा कारमले लो हम दा आया नांदरे से प्रोग्रेस को दंदो चा 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 शु कोई नहीं कोई सारी कुछ चम्मच तो सा कोई नहीं बीजेपी सरकार
Students of Savio English Higher Secondary School in Thangmei Bansinam Laikai staged a protest demonstration in front of their school today, demanding authority concerned to solve the mystery behind the suspicious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School. Members of Social Workers Congress SWC Kongman also staged a sit-in at the community hall of the club demanding justice for the deceased student. Members of Nongren Apun Bamaira Paibilub also staged sit-in at Nongren Mayay Laikai Community Hall in Lamlai constituency against the suspicious death of the girl student. They extended full support to all movements initiated by the JAC Forum against the incident. Singjamai Tulilong United Clubs Organizations LUCO in a press release assured to extend solidarity to any initiatives to serve justice to the deceased girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. Haubam Marak Mayay Laikai Merapai Bilub also carried out protest demonstration today condemning the authorities concerned for failing to serve justice to the deceased students till date. Taking part in the protest meet held at a community hall of socially organized Learners Reformed Union President of the Mayra Paibilub Haubam Sanayayma expressed foul play in the students' death, condemning the police and the government for delay in serving justice. She appealed to book the culprits involved in the students' death at the earliest.
Langga lanjin puthop pidona matik chana TV dana matik chaba dandi piba pami akoi yam penja de isa jigi misi ase karma ina sibono hai je go mena lengak singna changbi raga miying changbi dana mabu matik chaba dandi pibiu landoni na masa mangni haina khanbi dona miya mamangda mana lungai taba wai amani dang thambi na madi akoi asu lungai taba je tawroi dabani.
Kunai Kanbanupi Lub members also carried out protest demonstrations today at Kameng Sabal in Lamsang constituency, Imphal West District, demanding justice for the deceased girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. They demanded to nab the culprits involved in the mysterious death case. Members of Lai Inkol Youth Development Organization carried out protest demonstrations at Lai Inkol Community Hall today against beginning of construction of 2 security towers of the High Court of Manipur on Lai Inkol Road in Imphal East amid ongoing eviction controversy. Speaking to media, Secretary of Lai Inkol Youth Development Organization, Arambam Sazamba, stated that since the previous government's rule, plans are underway to evict residents of Lai Inkol. He expressed disappointment that the registrar of the High Court rejected pleas by the residents to halt the construction until a proper resolution to the controversy. Sazamba warned of intense agitations if the authorities concerned fail to address their concern.
Ngasimaksu High Court of Manipur ki Registrar General Unaraga wari sajarubani adubu responsive fazana pibi rakte haijaribana mari lainaba department amadi mari lainaba angama tausing unaraga tangdangba du khangnanaba wari wata du sananaba matam khratang pibiu tasengnamakki di security tower ani saba se koi thingjabana nachade matam khara relax tawbiona haijabani koigi High Court of Manipur da koigi request tawjaning libadi security tower sabagi kano se matam khara lepikho.
Members of Mao Imphal Coordination Committee urged the government to build a permanent market shade for Mao vendors at a suitable place in Imphal today. Speaking to media at YVO Club office in Wankai, Vice President of Mau Union Imphal, KH Ashuli, stated that the current Mau market shade provided at Lamphel Supermarket is inconvenient for the vendors, plus sale rate at the site is very low. Stating that a committee will hold Mau market sale in various places, he urged members of local clubs and women associations to cooperate the same.
Mau market hai na tun tori base akwe tampagi echino tampagi yuklak sinna support toraga market se mo phom da tun thoji pho base tun to cha thari base yam haro bani maudi gi khalyo base khara dil lapi ado akwe se puthok se mahai machine puthok se yam lai bani kum da di khum da tun lai bani ado akwe se yom phom lai ta duna market place se podon cha wa lai ta bat gi akwe se wa na dun lai bani ado akwe Imphal da la cha cha li base tampagi generation na kwebo mopom piduna adung mopom da jaga da hoji tori base yam seso yam nongai ba amani market se mopong amada miti chaba mopong amada piravdi kwe mo sin se hajana jomba ngam gani na kwe thaje asidegi henna puthok se puraga dung jomba so ngam gani henna dung khale
committee gi maigi degi ekhoina thamjaningi badi athuba matamda mau market ama mafam sabamda sahanjaningi miyamgi numit amadi singmi sinau singi numit pangthok lamdina mau praja singsu lamdam asigi praja ama oina yelhomi ama oina makoi gi su wakat tabifam thui praja gi numit singmi praja singi numit haidana hills go magi program magi policy program yam je mai pakpagi mahema oigani haina khali.
Members of Hill Tribal Council More, Kuki Women Union More, Kuki Student Organization More, More Youth Club and all More Traders Association have imposed 48-hour ban on National Highway 102 Imphal More Road from 5 a.m. on August 21st till 5 a.m. on August 23rd. The associations have called the ban condemning the alleged hindrance and threats by two commuters by personnel of 43 Assam Rifles at Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 1. The associations have warned to carry out intense agitations if Assam Rifles or the authorities concerned fail to take necessary measures during the ban. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on protests by Jennings doctors against suspension orders served by Jennings doctor for Tensubam Nimi. We'll be right back. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Jennings doctors took mass casual leave and carried out protest demonstrations against the suspension order issued to Jennings doctor Tensubam Nimi. It may be mentioned that government suspended a woman doctor following scuffles at Jennings Hospital following a death of a woman few days after delivery on August 14th. Taking part in the protest, spokesperson of Teachers Association Jennings, Dr. N. Kumarjan, strongly condemned issuance of suspension order to Dr. Nimi without conducting any departmental inquiry. He maintained that remaining doctors of the hospital are insecure to work in such an unfavorable environment. He asked if doctors are yet to be suspended every time a patient dies. He stated that the association will not oppose a punishment to Dr. Nimi if she is found guilty by the inquiry committee formed by Director of Health and Family Welfare Dr. K. Rajo within 10 days. But if Dr. Nimi is found blameless in the patient's death and the suspension order still not lifted, the association will hold a meet on August 24th and resolve to carry out intense agitations. Jennings Students Association also strongly condemned the incident.
Committee headed by Director Health Services Dr. Rajo ki matung magi makada committee form tawena tajai ado committee si tarik 14 August order thoki within 10 days ki manungda moi report ama pikhala o haibani aduna karigumba inquiry sina tuna yangna efficiently tawbiraga karigumba maral lairame law will take its own course aduga karigumba maral lairam tar oiragadi akoi within this 10 days digi manungda Dr. T. Nimi ki suspension order akoi revoke tawbiyo.
Members of Ningol Club Hairok felicitated SP Thaubal and his team today for their milestone operation for busting a brown sugar factory at Thaubal Moijing, where the team seized contraband heroin brown sugar worth 166.6 crore rupees on August 17th. Speaking at the event, club members urged people to extend cooperation to anti-drug drives of police and make Chief Minister's war on drugs a success. Manipur State Commission for Women, Government of Manipur, Nupi Samaj and Kontha Women Reformation and Development Society jointly organized one-day discussion program on negative impact of drug abuse at Imphal East Khabam Maninglaikai Community Hall today. Taking part in the discussion, President of Nupi Samaj, T.H. Ramani, stated that the moral behavior of the youths are decaying due to drug addiction. She said that the discussion meet aimed to save the youths from drug addiction. Manipur joined the world in observing World Photography Day today. Royal Photography Manipur organized the event at DM College of Commerce today. People paid floral tribute to the portraits of PTI late photojournalist Panjobam Santosh and to the deceased girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, and paid 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to departed souls. IAS retired R.K. Nimai also attended the event. Photo exhibition entitled Midpum was also held at the event. Manipur Digital Photography Society organized second state-level photography competition cum exhibition on World Photography Day today at Trade and Expo Center, Lamboy Khong Nang Khong. Young photographers of the society displayed their works at the event. Five-day training on the theme Entrepreneurship and Skill Development Program on Essential Oils, Perfumery and Aromatherapy kicked off in the hall of MSME Technology Center, Imphal, footpath at Nilakutin, Imphal East District today. Fragrance and Flavor Development Center, FFDC, Kanoj, along with MSME Technology Center, Imphal, Ministry of MSME, Government of India, organized a program sponsored by National SC/ST Hub MSME Ministry. Speaking at the event, Director of Manipur Science and Technology Council, T.H. Surendranath, urged people to register one's own innovations under intellectual property rights to keep up authenticity of the products. He maintained that innovation is the key to become a successful entrepreneur.
I could low my Holama, suppose I mobile Holama in the scenery, tablet, Macarim, not my report, and I don't look at my report. You have to see, rest out or Makupa, come here, otherwise, Masikanagi was come there. Entrepreneur over the high may submit two Pusare, as I perfumery Pusare, anything to go as top quality. I'm a layer at the million, I'm not going to put a layer or to show them what the protect intellectual property right.
Innovation innovators if you don't innovate, you are just a businessman. Innovation let us do R&D and let us do financial support to the MSMEs later, and we are here also to give you loan without interest.
Chandal Forest Division held one-day workshop on bamboo cultivation and utilization at Japui Indoor Stadium in Chandal District today. CEO of South Asian Bamboo Foundation Guwahati, Kamesh Salam, gave resourceful insights on bamboo propagation and plantation and bamboo utilization trend of the world, while bamboo artisan Elangbam Ajit Kumar stressed on bamboo utilization in Manipur during the workshop. Chief Conservator of Forest Cage Brajendra, Commandant of 18 Assam Rifles, Colonel Ajit Khatri, Range Forest Officer of Chakpikarong S. Soshi Kumar and Range Forest Officer of Technopal A. Ranbir took part in the event. State-level Quality Assurance Cell, Manipur held a national-level workshop on understanding the news framework of NAAC at the Multipurpose Hall of Manipur College in Chingamathak today. Former Vice-Chancellor of Brahmapur University, Orissa, Dr. A.P. Pradhi stressed on preparing of NAAC assessment and accreditation in the workshop. A new branch of VLCC Institute of Beauty and Nutrition India was opened near Uripo Flyover Bridge in Imphal West District today. Speaking at the event, international model Helilai Thangbam stated that a newly opened institution will create job opportunities for youths in the state. Manipur Amateur Boxing Association in a press release congratulated Huidrom Abesori from Mayang Imphal Thana Awang Laikai upon achieving a gold medal in 57 kg category, 3rd Junior Women International Boxing Tournament held at Serbia from August 14 till 18. She represented India in the tournament. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah presents prestigious Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar 2018 to 33 artists from across the country at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren inaugurates 44 crore rupees worth water supply scheme at Waithaupat in Thaupal district. And MPCC President Gakhangam criticizes BJP-led state and central government, says BJP government is inefficient, communal and lives openly from power.